feels like sustainability is in our DNA. We have been in the sustainability market for a long time. We can make a difference by helping people run their buildings more efficiently. We can really help save our planet by just applying the solutions that we've been offering for a really long time. Why wouldn't we have sustainability and diversity in our compensation goals just as we have profitability and free cash flow? I think it just helps reinforce the authenticity of how we run the company, because all of those aspects are important. Many of us care passionately about sustainability and saving our Earth. And that's great if you have a workforce that you can attract that's there because they really believe in your mission of making the world a better place.